Hello everyone, thank you for joining us on another episode of Master Chi Says. All of us are born on different days, different timings and different seasons. This gives rise to different birth elements in our 8 pillars Ba Zi and tells us of our favorable and unfavorable elements. Being born in different seasons, our lives and luck cycles are uniquely different too. Learning to utilize the correct elements at the correct period of time will greatly increase our luck and well-being. Master Chi feels that knowing how to utilize this universal energy in your favor is what will turn the tide for you. Let's go and look into the different seasons and get some information on how to improve your lives and what to watch out for this month. You are born in spring if you're born between 4th February and 4th May, summer if you're born between 5th May and 6th August, autumn if you're born between 7th August and 3rd November, winter if you are born between 4th November and 3rd February. The period 7th November to 6th December 2020 marks the end of autumn and the start of winter. Transiting into the month of the fire pig, those born of the pig is in conflict with those born of the snake. With a weaker fire and stronger water element in conflict, it's a month where contradictions and pent-up frustrations are waiting to explode. The pandemic and virus will possibly mutate come the start of the cold seasons. Economies will still be at a standstill. People born of the snake and pig will experience a decline in luck, where changes and movements are inevitable. Be more cautious and prudent when dealing with human relationships. People born in spring are in need of fire to enhance their luck. With fire in the heavens stamp this month, it may prove to be a favorable month for you. For those born dragon and rabbit, you can find your overall luck increase this month. Those born in spring are weaker in health and lacking in young energies. Taking frequent walks in the park and getting out into the sun will increase your luck, increase your young energy, and also bring up your health. Advice: have more steamboats. Dress up more in warm and bright colors to increase your peach blossom luck for meeting more people. Take heed to make full use of this great period and get the best out of it. People born in summer will need water to elevate their luck. Transiting into the winter season, this is a season to rejoice, especially for those born rat and dragon, as their happiness and wealth luck increases with water entering the period. Luck in lotteries increases, benefactors at work appears, and tides will be in favor for most situations. Be more charitable to enhance the good luck that the period brings. Advice: though good luck and good fortunes are in store for most people born in this period, those with 2 snakes or 2 pigs in their Ba Zi birth branches should be more cautious. Remain low profile and take good time to think through things before making any decisions. People born in autumn are not that favored in periods of water. With non-favorable elements in power this period, you must learn to control your own tempers, emotions, and enforce good control over yourself. Going out for casual walks, listening to music, or getting a workout are good ways to release your negative energies. Do not fall prey to impulse at any time. Advice: people born of the ox and goat should dress up more in green and red colors. Maintaining a good happy mood and having a happy family will enhance your luck. Visit places of worship more often or wear your zodiac Buddha for the added protection. People born in winter are fearful of too much water, and this month brings about a very strong water element. This will be a month of bad health symptoms, rheumatism, influenza, and body aches will be common this month. Expenses will be high, with a high possibility of overspending or accidentally spending too much. Frequent tears and quarrels bring about endless troubles. Those born of the monkey and rooster should take extra care in handling such situations. Advice: manage relationship matters better. Take care of your own health and health of elders at home. Drivers should take care to drive carefully, be wary of drink driving and other traffic offences. If you have been following us on Facebook and think that the information in your birth season has been useful, please help to like and share. Now if it's your first time here, remember to follow us on facebook.com/FuHongShe to get more of our updates. Do join us again on another episode of Master Chi Says, and remember to help us like and share.